at the US Bank building in Colorado Springs. Look at this. We have old historic Otis elevators. That one's much smaller, that indicator, than this one. Anyway, let's start off by going down. Does the up one work? That one works for up. Nice. That's beautiful. These are old Otises. They got a slight fixture upgrade, but other than that, they're still original. Still the old controllers. It's hard to see, but the numbers do light up. Oh, look at that. Let's look at these lanterns. Wow, what a beautiful old building. Look at the lanterns. It's going somewhere. It smells like popcorn. Of course, it still has the original call stations. I want to get a shot of that lantern working. Let's see if up works on it. Oh, or it just leaves. Okay, that's fine. All right, well, let's get a drink of water. Thirsty. Okay, never mind. Let's just go down. Oh, there we go. That's what I've been waiting for. Get some pictures of that. Oh, hold on. Well, went off. Too bad. Well, anyway. Down to one. Slam. Well, maybe the controller is a little upgraded. We'll send it up and see. Anyway, that's it. Listen to that thing. Jeez, you can hear that thing going. Anyway, that will be it.